So hello guys, my name is Logavarman and my practice number is 09 and it's for the subject ecosystem like one. So without wasting any time, so let's just get straight into the lab sheet. So this is the lab sheet for the control system. Just move forward over here. So the first one, I try to open the TIA portal software and factory IO software. So to do this lab sheet. So firstly, I need to open TIA portal and then enter into the program environment, and then open the factory IO software, and then create any scene. So I just do any factory IO scene that we do, and then need to configure the simulator, and then drop down the menu select and open custom PLCM, and then I need to configure the module. After configuration, and go back to try window to click connect icon later and perform how to use the PID instruction using Siemens TIA portal. So without wasting any time, let's just straight get into the lab sheet as to the TIA portal. So firstly, I will be opening the TIA portal, which is just right over here in my mouse. So right now I'm just opening it. As you can see, the app has been already opened. So let me just do one thing first. I need to copy a file before opening something file. Let me just minimize. So over here, I have an X file. So whenever I open the TIA folder, I need to copy this and do a new file, so it doesn't mix with other files. Just see into the documents right here. Rename it. For example, network resistance. And goes to that file. And to rename this file. The images close the file. And then open again the TIA portal. And then just click those over here. See? So go to documents. Click this one. Just now we have saved it. Click the and then click the lab code control system in the file. Just click open. Now the TIA is opening the project. Now, since the TIA is already opened the project, so we can either click open the project view over here, or we can also click open the project view over here. So I just click this right here because it's just right in front of us. So now the TIA has already opened the project. So right now, need to open the PLC underscore U, this one. Just open the folder and then double click the device configuration. Double click the device configuration. You'll see something like this over here, which over shows, and then next one over here again the devices. You'll see program blocks. Open it, and then you see main OB1. Double click the main OB1. And then you see the network, which is the ladder of the network. And then lastly, you will see PLC text. PLC text. the PLC text, and then double click the show all text. So right now, we have opened the PLC1, and then main OB1, and then the PLC text. So since we entered the programming of the TIA, now let's open the factory IO. As you can see, I placed my factory IO right over here. So let's just open it. Let the factory IO run for itself. So this is how you first see when you open the factory IO and click new. So when you click new, the scene will be new, and we need to do something for the view. So right now I'm just going to put something very simple. I'm going to take the balcony meter over here. Place this right here. Just take and drag it for whenever you want. Then I'll be going to take this column right here, and I'm going to place this right over here. Just I say, just take it and drag it. And I'm going to take this electric switchboard, just right here. And then when you place it, if you need it to go upwards, you just need to click the B, then it will automatically go upwards. So you can just adjust how way you want to place the electric switchboard. So if myself, I will put it a bit high right here. You can also play around just like this. You can see how the board is placed very well or not. Or you can just click it and you can just switch just right here. You can see right here, not place the board very well. I'm just going to click also the column first and drag it towards the conveyor, and then click the electric switchboard and then the column. So right now, it just placed correctly. Now, I'll be needing a start button. Drag it, and then V press. Let's just see if the start button is correctly. Double click it. So this will be the start button right here. Click it and drag it, and push the button V. So I put it upwards. So let me just put it wherever you want. Just myself, I put it right here, and yeah. So we have finished the part for the electric. So right now, I'm going to put the arrow right here, which is the meter. Right here. This is on the belt conveyor. As we can see, the emitter has been correctly placed on the belt conveyor. Now, I'm just going to um, this is so yeah, I think that's all for now. Okay. Yes. Before editing, I'm just gonna click this one, and I'm going to untick the palette and square palette, and I'm going to put this small box and untick everything. So yeah. Um, so now I'm going to uh, the file and click into the driver. Now, since we have the driver, we need to select the Siemens S7 PLCSIN. Just need to select this one, and then as you can see, the belt conveyor right here. This belt conveyor, belt conveyor is M1. So yeah, then I'm going to put I'm going to select the configuration right here. In the configuration, I'm going to select the S7 1500. The numerical will be keyword. Yeah. So I've done for the part in the factory IO. So right now I'm going to go back to the TIA portal. It's right here. So now I'm going to jump into the programming for the TIA. So let me just put select PLC tag. So for the first one, as we know, we are going to need the start. So let's just select here, start. Let's start. So the address. What is the address for the start? See over here. The address for the start is uh, I0.0 for the start, and it already in the default settings I0.0. I don't need to change anything. For the stop button, for address I0 IO.1. So let's just see over here. It is IO.1. For the next one, belt conveyor. So for the belt conveyor, let me just name it as the address will be for the IO Q.00. So I'm going to put over here Q.0. Yeah, let's see. So I've done all the PLC text right now. So we are going to switch to main OB1. Okay, when you switch to main OB1, so this is the how does the ladder looks like. Right now, I'm going to select this one. It's the normally open contact. So I'm going to take this one and drag it to the network 2. So as you can see, it does appear a question mark over here. Just select it and then select this or the small part right here, and then just put start. So when you put start, and then so this one is for the assignment shift. So which means the final product what you want to do. So just select it and drag it over here and put this right here. And as you press the mark, just like just now, press that button. So select this one and then select the continue. this is this is for the very basic one. So yeah, that's it for now. Okay, so now I'm going to select this one. So I'm going to select load. When you select load, it will load to the device that there is this programming has been created. Then load once again. So this one will load it to the Siemens right here. So then it press finish. So to know whether the ladder diagram is running or not, just select run. When you select run, when you select run, there will be a green button over here. You see? Oh yes, it has already been green button, which means programming has been connected with the TIA programming has been connected with the factory IP. So select the back here. So when you select the back over here, so now it has already been selected back over here. Let's see. Okay, now just start the play button over here, and then you need to long press the start button. So you need to press the button. Right now, the conveyor is working according to the ladder diagram that has been put. As you can see, the programming has been very much just like I said, according to the uh, ladder diagram that I put in the TIA portal. So just as this, so when I release this button right here, it stops. Just like as I said in the uh, ladder diagram. So when I press the start button, the conveyor will move. So for example, if I want the conveyor belt to just start working, so when it just start working, it just start working. I don't want to suddenly stop this like that. I just want to press only once. So how do I do that? For that, I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to put this one. This will be over right over here. When I put it, and then put this one right here. So I'll be adding the stop button right here. Then I'll be closing this one. When I've done it, right now I'm going to compile it first, and then let download to the device. And then just like this now, upload, and then yes. So yeah, let's see. Let's just hope it works. Right now, it just starts without even me pressing the button. So I just start again. You can see. You can see the box just goes through it without even me pressing the start button. When I press stop, it will just stop. So yeah, that's it for the uh, lab work. Now I'm going to save it. So how do I save it? Right now I'm going to select the home, so select the file, sorry, the file, and select save as. I just need to file. I need to just select the home. And I select seats. So these are my seats. So when I need to go to the scene that I just created just now, just select this one. So and just so yeah, let's just close it this way. Now I need to save this project. How do I save this project? In the TIA folder, just select OK. You can just close it. So how do I open the TIA project once again? Just go to the uh, book that you have created before and select it once again. Just wait for it to open. Yeah, it will just open. Just like this now. So when you open the project view, and then when you open the program blocks, OB1, as you can see, the diagram of the before, you can see and it's completely safe. So yeah, there's no worry for not about failing, not about losing the safety progress. So yeah, open the procedure. So I've done the first procedure by opening the TIA portal and entering the programming environment. And I've opened the factory software and I've written the new scene. And I've gone to the file menu and select the driver. I've already done that. And then open the drop menu and select Siemens, as I've already done that. And then click the configuration, yes, I've also done that. And after configuration, go back to the drive window and drag yes, I've also done that. Then I need to click on the connect icon to connect. Yes, I've done that. And perform how to use the ID instruction. Yes, I've done that. So I've already done the lab work as according to the procedure. So yeah, that's all for me. Thank you very much.